Sichuan Jianjie is a technology-based enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service. Jianjie Binder for briquettes of ore powder is a mixture of multiple environment-friendly polymer materials. It features high binding strength, high forming rate, high strength, quick curing, no pulverization, cost reduction, energy efficiency and environment friendliness. It is used to cold press briquettes of ore powders of many metals and non-metals, such as iron, iron concentrate, mill scale, manganese, copper, nickel, chromium and silicium, carbon. Briquettes are widely used as the furnace burden for the blast furnace, direct reduction furnace, cupola and gasifier. Our binder have achieved remarkable effects and results in practical applications, and have been recognized and praised by the majority of our clients. Please contact us for more solutions.